What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to use Uber Eats and how to split the check. So guys, make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. So without any further ado, let's jump straight to the topic. So Uber Eats now has an option to split the bill. So guys, I'm gonna teach you how to exactly do it. This is a quite nice feature. Maybe you and your friend both don't have a you have two cards, but on none of those cards there is enough money for both the orders, so now you can easily split the check between you and both have a meal. So basically how to do it: what you need to do is start a group order on ubereats.com. So what you need to do is select a restaurant and click on start group order, edit the order name, enter the delivery address and set a spending limit and a deadline for your team to place their order. Choose whether you want to pay for the whole order or select the option for guests to pay for themselves. Review the details and share the link with your team. Once your team has added their order, click on go to checkout. Don't forget to select your business profile. Click on edit under payment to select your payment option and place your order. So those are the ways on how to split the bill on Uber Eats. Hopefully this video was helpful to you, and as I mentioned earlier, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. Guys, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching and see you in our future videos. Goodbye.